I think everyone's looking for that side hustle or that way to make, extra money on the side outside of their normal 9 to 5. Or maybe you're 30 years into a career and looking to retire in a couple of years and are feeling like you're not quite where you want to be. So this video is going to be about betting on yourself and why trading can be your side business. So let's have a heart-to-heart. You've been working your whole life, you've been putting in the hours, providing for your family, and doing what needs to be done. But now maybe you're feeling like it's time to do something for you. You've got the experience, the discipline, and the drive, but what you're looking for is something that doesn't take up all of your time, and it builds a future. So let me tell you, starting a side business isn't just about making extra money. It's about betting on yourself. It's about saying, I've got what it takes to create something meaningful for me and my family. And if you're looking for a business that gives you freedom, flexibility, and unlimited potential, let me introduce you to trading. Now, before you start thinking this is some get-rich-quick pitch, let me stop you right there. Trading isn't about gambling or luck. It's a skill, a craft, really. And like any craft, it takes time, effort, and the right mindset to master. But here's the good news. It's something you can start while still working your regular job, and if you approach it the right way, it can grow into something that changes your life. So let's talk about why trading is a side business you might be looking for. When it comes to trading, people usually focus on three main things. Fundamental analysis, which is digging into the details behind the market. Technical analysis, studying charts and patterns. And mental analysis, understanding how to manage your emotions and mindset. The third is the key. Now I'm going to break these down for you because they're all important, but I want you to focus on what really makes the difference. Betting on yourself by mastering the mental side of trading. So let's talk about fundamental analysis. Now this is the old school approach. This is where trading starts for most people. It's like trying to figure out what your favorite stock or currency or commodity is worth by looking at things like financial reports, economic news, or global events. For example, if you're getting into stocks, you might study a company's earnings report or watch for big announcements that could drive the price up or down. If you're trading currencies, you'd look at things like interest rate, inflation, or geopolitical news. But here's the thing. Fundamental analysis only takes you so far. Markets don't always move based on logic or numbers. They move based on how people feel. And that's where most people hit a wall. Now, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is reading the market's mood. Technical analysis is a bit different. Instead of focusing on what the market should do, it focuses on what the market is doing. It's all about studying price charts and patterns and predicting what might happen next. Think of it like reading a room at a party. You're not asking, what should everyone be doing? You're looking around and saying, what's actually happening here and how can I move with it? This is where a lot of traders start seeing success. But even technical analysis has its limits. Why? Well, because knowing what's likely to happen doesn't mean you'll act on it. That's where mental analysis, the real game changer. That's where mental analysis, the real game changer, comes in. Mental analysis is the real key to success. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had an idea that you knew was solid, whether it was a business opportunity, a career move, or even a decision about your family. But you didn't act on it because you doubted yourself. That hesitation, that self-doubt is what stops most people from achieving their goals. Trading is no different. You can learn all the tools, study all the charts, and know exactly what to do. But if you can't manage your emotions, you'll sabotage yourself. Here's the truth. Trading isn't just about the market, it's about you. It's about how you handle uncertainty, how you bounce back from losses, and how disciplined you are when things don't go your way. Here's why I think trading is worth the bet. Trading isn't easy, but it's simple. It's about learning to trust yourself, to take calculated risks, and to stay consistent no matter what the market throws at you. And the best part, you don't need permission to start. You're not answering to a boss, a partner, or a customer. It's just you, your knowledge, and your ability to execute. That kind of independence is rare in any business. And let me tell you something else. The skills you develop in trading, managing risk, staying calm under pressure, sticking to a plan, those skills carry over into every other aspect of your life. They make you sharper, more focused, and more confident. Now, part of betting on yourself is a mindset shift is what's really needed here. If you're thinking about starting a side business, I want you to ask yourself this. Are you ready to bet on yourself? Because that's what trading is. I bet that you have what it takes to learn, grow, and succeed. You don't need to be a math genius or a financial wizard. You just need the willingness to put in the work and the belief that you can do it. So if you're ready to take that step, I'm here to guide you. I'll show you the tools, teach you the mindset, and give you the support you need to turn trading into a side business that works for you. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, I've been wanting to make this starter episode 1 video of a series of videos to help people learn what it really takes to trade. There are a lot of programs that you could buy. Heck, I bought several over the years, and they're all very good. They gave me the indicators to follow and how to set up my charts and walked me through all of the technical aspects that I needed. And I had success. Man, I would crash and burn. Seemed like I was constantly going on a roller coaster ride of ups and downs, no real consistency. The thing that I found out over the years was what was really missing from those plans was how to execute, how to get your mind right. Like that old movie, Cool Hand Luke. Luke, you got to get your mind right. Well, folks, that's the key, getting your mind right. Now, I know diving into trading can feel overwhelming. It was very overwhelming for me. There was times when I thought I had it all figured out. You know, when you're riding a cash wave of winners one after another, you get a little confident. You get a little full of yourself. And then you get smacked in the face with the reality that in trading, anything can happen. So that's what really drove me to want to start filming these videos. There's a lot to learn, and let's be honest, it's not always easy to find clear, honest advice that actually helps. That's why I decided to create these series of videos on YouTube specifically for people like yourself, and hopefully in the future my own kids, people who are ready to bet on themselves and start building a side business with trading. Now here's the deal. I'll be filming these videos in a way that's straightforward, practical, and easy to follow. Think of it like sitting down and having a cup of coffee and a real conversation about what it takes to succeed. No fluff, no hype, just real talk about trading, the mindset you need, and the strategies that actually work. Why did I choose YouTube? Well, I want this to be something that you can access anytime, anywhere, whether you got a few minutes in the morning or you're driving to work. Or maybe you're winding down at night. These videos will be there for you. You can watch, pause, rewind, and rewatch at your own pace. This isn't about rushing through or cramming information. It's about giving you the time and space to learn, absorb, and start applying what you've learned in a way that fits your life. Now, what can you expect? In these videos, I'm going to break down everything step by step so that you never feel lost. Here's a little preview of what I'll cover. I'm going to cover the foundations of trading. We'll start with the basics. What trading really is, how markets move, and what you need to know to get started. We're going to master a few tools. There, kids. We're going to master a few tools. I'll walk you through the fundamental and technical analysis portions so that you can understand how to read the market and make informed decisions. We're going to work on building the right mindset. This is where the magic happens. I'll show you how to develop the mental discipline that separates successful traders from everyone else. We'll talk about managing emotions, staying consistent, and embracing uncertainty. I'll share some strategies I've used to trade consistently and profitably. You'll learn how to manage risk, plan your trades, and adapt to different market conditions. Now, recap, why am I doing this? Here's the thing. I've been where you are. I felt the desire to create something more, to take control of my time and my future. Trading gave me both that opportunity, and now I want to help see that it can do the same for you. This isn't just about teaching you how to trade. It's about showing you that you can trade. It's about giving you the tools and the confidence to take the first steps and keep going, even when it feels tough. I believe in you. I believe in your ability to learn, grow, and succeed. And through these videos, I want to be there every step of the way to guide you. How can you get started? Here's what I would recommend. Subscribe to the channel. This way you'll get notified as soon as a new video drops. Set aside some time each week. Watch the videos. Take notes. Start practicing what you've learned. Leave some comments. Ask your questions. When we get further into the video series, please share your progress. I'll be checking in regularly to make sure you have the answers and support you need. Now, this is your journey, and I want you to go at your own pace. Whether you're taking baby steps or diving in head first, I'm here to help. Let's build something together. This YouTube channel isn't just about trading. It's about creating a space where you can learn, grow, and start building a future that works for you. It's about giving you the tools and the mindset to take control of your financial future and start living life on your own terms. So if you're ready to bet on yourself and start this journey, head over to my channel. The first video will be waiting for you, and I'll be there to guide you every step of the way. Remember, this is your chance to do something meaningful, not just for you, but for your family and your future. The only thing standing between you and success is that first step. Let's take it together. I'll see you in the first video. Let's get to work.